Hello, my name is Julius Kia and I'm from class 19 to C into 6. It is a pleasure to be here today to present a topic that plays a fundamental role in our daily lives about computers and the hardware components. In this presentation, we will explore the basic concepts of computers, how they function, and the essential hardware parts that make them work efficiently. Understanding these elements is crucial not only for professionals in the field but for anyone who interacts with technology. Let's dive into the world of computers and uncover the fascinating mechanism behind these powerful machines. Topic 1: Understanding computers, evolution and functionality. Definition of computers. A computer is a programmable electronic device that processes data, performs calculation, and executes instructions to accomplish various tasks. It consists of hardware components like a CPU, central processing unit, memory, storage, and input or output device. Computers can range from simple embedded systems to powerful supercomputers used for complex computation. Historically, the term computer referred to humans who performed calculation manually. Over time, mechanical and electronic computers replaced human computation, leading to the development of modern digital systems. The first inventor of the computers. The first inventor of the computer, who is often mentioned, is Charles Babbage, an English mathematician. In the 19th century, he designed the analytical engine, a mechanical machine considered the precursor to modern computers. This machine had fundamental concepts such as a CPU, memory, and input or output, which became the foundation for today's digital computers. Besides Babbage, several other figures also contribute to the development of computers. Ada Lovelace, she translated the concept of the analytical engine and wrote the first algorithm that could be executed by the machine. Alan Turing, in 1936, he developed the concept of the Turing machine, which became the foundation of modern computation theory. The first fully functional computer was ENIAC, developed in 1946 and used for military purpose. Next. History of computers. The history of computers dates back to early calculation devices like the abacus. Major developments include first generation is vacuum tube from 1940 to 1956. Second generation is transistors like IBM and UNIVAC from 1956 to 1963. Third generation integrated circuit from 1964 to 1971. Fourth generation microprocessors from 1971 to present. First generation vacuum tube from 1940 to 1956. A vacuum tube computer, part of the first generation of computers, used vacuum tubes for logic processing. The technology emerged in the mid-20th century with the Atomsov Berry computer pioneering its use in 1939. Initially custom-built, commercial models appeared in the 1950s but became obsolete by the early 1960s, replaced by transistorized computers. Second generation transistor, example IBM and UNIVAC, from 1956 to 1963. A transistor computer, part of the second generation, late 1950s to 1960s, replaced vacuum tubes with discrete transistors, making computers more efficient, compact, and reliable. This machine used magnetic core memory and remained dominant until integrated circuits led to third generation computer, the late 1960s. Third generation integrated circuit from 1964 to 1971. Integrated circuit. An integrated circuit, or IC, or a microchip, is a set of electronic circuits containing transistors, resistors, and capacitors interconnected on a small semiconductor chip, typically silicon. ICs are widely used in devices like computers, smartphones, and televisions for processing and storing information. They enable miniaturization, improve functionality, and higher efficiency, making them significantly smaller, faster, and more cost-effective than discrete component designs. Fourth generation microprocessor from 1971 to present. Microprocessor is an integrated circuit, or IC, that acts as the computer's central processing unit, or CPU, handling arithmetic, logic, and control function. It interprets and executes program instruction, processes binary data, and operation using both combinational and sequential digital logic. Types of computers. Different types of computer exist based on functionality. First, supercomputer perform complex calculation. Personal computer, or PCs, used in homes and office. Laptops, portable computing device. Smartphones, mini computers in our hands. Computers in daily life. Computers impact various aspects of life, like education, online learning, and research, business like financial management and data processing, healthcare like medical records and diagnostics, or entertainment like gaming, streaming, social media. Software versus hardware. What is hardware? Hardware refers to the physical components in a computer, including processor like CPU, the brain of the computers, memory like RAM, and storage, stores and process data. Input device like keyboard and mouse allow users interaction. Output device like monitor, printers display result. What is software? Software consists of program and application that run on hardware, including operating system, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, to manage hardware and software. Application software like browse, games, word process help user perform tasks. Utility software like antivirus and backup tools to maintain system performance. Artificial intelligence and future computing. Artificial intelligence or AI and machine learning. AI refers to computer systems that can simulate human intelligence, while machine learning enables computers to improve their performance without explicit programming. Example, chatbot and virtual assistant. AI-powered tools like a Copilot and Siri. Self-driving cars. AI controls navigation and movement. Predictive analytics. AI forecasts trends based on data patterns. Quantum computing. Quantum computers use quantum bits or qubits instead of traditional binary bits, making them exponentially more powerful than classical computers for complex calculation. Potential impact. Drug discovery and medical research, simulating molecular structures for new medicines. Cybersecurity enhancements, ultra-secure encryption using quantum cryptography. Advanced scientific simulations, studying climate change and astrophysics. Automation and smart device. Automation use AI and robotics to increase efficiency, reduce human workload, and improve productivity. Application like smart homes, AI control lighting, appliance, and security. Industry 4.0, automated manufacturing and AI-powered logistics. Healthcare AI, AI assistant, diagnostics and robotic surgeries. Ethical challenge and future considerations. As AI and automation evolve, ethical concerns arise regarding job displacement, data privacy, and AI bias. Regulation and responsible AI development are essential to ensuring safe and beneficial progress. Topic 2. Computer hardware. Definition, core components, and their vital functions. Definition of computer hardware. What exactly is computer hardware? Computer hardware encompasses all the physical, tangible parts of computer system. Unlike software, which is intangible, hardware can be seen, touched, and physically interacted with. It forms the foundational structure upon which our software operates. Key characteristics: physical and tangible components, essential for software execution, diverse in function and complexity. Example: a central processing unit or CPU, motherboard, random access memory or RAM, monitor, keyboard, and mouse. The fundamental categories of hardware, organizing the building blocks. Hardware categories. Computer hardware can be broadly categorized based on its primary function within the system. Understanding these categories provides a clear framework for comprehending how a computer operates. Categories: input device, tools for feeding data and instruction into the computers. Processing device, the core units responsible for executing instructions and manipulating data. Output device, mechanism for presenting process information to the users. Storage device, components dedicated to the long-term or temporary retentions of data. Peripheral device, additional hardware that expands the computer's capabilities. Input device, the gateway for information, bridging the gap between users and machine. Function, input device enable users to communicate with the computer by entering data, commands, and instruction. They act as the sensory organs of the computer system. Example: keyboard, the primary device for textual input, allowing users to the letters, numbers, and symbols. Mouse, a pointing device that detects, mentions, and translates it into cursor movement on the screen, facilitating interaction with graphical user interface. A microphone converts sound waves into digital signals, enabling audio input for voice commands, recording, and communications. Touchscreen, a display that also functions as an input device, allowing direct interaction with the screen. Touch scanner digitizes physical document and image, converting them into electronic formats. Processing device, the brain and powerhouse, the engine of computation. Overview: processing devices are responsible for executing instruction, performing calculation, and managing the flow of data within the computer system. They are crucial for the computer's intelligence and performance. Key components and their functions. Central Processing Unit or CPU, the brain of the computers. Arithmetic Logic Unit ALU, performs arithmetic and logical operations. Control units manage and coordinates the activities of all other computer's components, fetching and executing instructions. Graphics Processing Unit or GPU, dedicated graphics power, specialized processor designed to accelerate the creation and rendering of images, videos, and other visual content, essential for gaming, graphic design, and video editing. Random access memory, or RAM. Temporary workspace. Volatile memory that stores data and instructions that are currently being used by the CPU. Enables fast access for quick processing. Output device. Presenting the result, delivering information to the users. Function. Output device present process data and information from the computers to the user. Function. Output device present process data and information from the computers to the users in a human understandable format. They act as the voice and visual representation of the computer's work. Example, monitor. The primary visual output device displaying text, images, videos, and the user's interface. Different types exist like LCD, LED, and OLED, with varying resolution and refresh rates. Printer. Produce hard copies and digital document and images on paper. Various types include inkjet, laser, and 3D printers. Speakers. Convert electrical signals into audible sound, allowing users to hear music, system sounds, and voice communication. Projector. Displays computer's output onto a large screen, ideal for presentation and home entertainment. Storage device. Preserving digital information, the digital vault for data. Function. Storage devices are used to store data and instructions persistently, allowing them to be accessed and used even when the computer is turned off. They come in various forms with different capacities and speeds. Example, hard disk drive or HDD. Traditional magnetic storage. Storage data on rotating magnetic platters, offering high storage capacity at a relatively lower cost but has lower access speeds due to mechanical components. Solid state drive or SSD. The speed revolution utilizes flash memory to store data electronically, resulting in significantly faster read and write speeds, improved durability, and lower power consumption compared to SSDs. Cloud storage. Remote data storage access over the internet, offering scalability and accessibility from various devices released on third-party servers. Peripheral device. Expanding functionality, enhancing and extending capabilities. Function. Peripheral devices are external hardware components that connect to the computers to add specific functionalities or enhance the user experience. They are not essential for the computer's basic operation, but significantly expand its versatility. Example, webcam. A video input device used for video conferencing, live streaming, and capturing photos and videos. VR headset or virtual reality headset. An immersive technology that provides user with a simulated three-dimensional environment for gaming, training, and other application. Demodulator facilitates internet access by converting digital signals from the computing into analog signals for transmission over telephone lines, legacy, or other networks. External hard drive (SSD), portable storage device used for backup data transfer and expanding storage capacity. The evolving landscape of computer hardware. Latest trends and innovation in computer hardware. The field of computer hardware is constantly evolving, driven by advancement in technology and increased demands for performance, efficiency, and new functionalities. Example of current trends: AI chips, example tensor processing units, specialized processor designed to accelerate artificial intelligence and machine learning workloads, enabling faster and more efficient AI application. Foldable screen, flexible display technology that allows for the creation of foldable smartphone, tablets, and laptops, offering increased screen real estate and portability. 5G modems, next generation wireless communication technology offering significantly faster data transfer speeds, lower latency, and increased network capacity, impacting mobile computing and connectivity. Quantum computing components, exploring the potential of quantum mechanics to perform complex calculation for far beyond the capabilities of classical computers, still in early stages. Energy efficient hardware, focus on designing components that consume less power, reducing environmental impact, and improving battery life in portable device. Thank you. See you in the next presentation.